In this figure, we are going to draw the perspective projection of a pentagonal prism that is lying on its rectangular face on the ground. When it is resting on its rectangular face on the ground, we have to draw its front view first. Then only we will be able to draw its top view. So as usual, we will be starting with our two lines. The first line represents our picture plane. The second line represents our ground line. The position of the station point is given the question. It is 50 mm in front of PP and 40 mm above the ground. So using that, you can draw the locus of station point and you can draw the horizon or the line of sight. The horizon or the line of sight will be 40 mm above the ground, and the locus of station point will be 50 mm in front of picture plane. Now next we can draw the front view of the solid. We have to start from the front view since it is resting on its rectangular face. It is said that rectangular face is lying on its on the ground. So we have to place one rectangular face on the ground and then we have to draw the front view of the pentagonal prism. After that, you can project all the points for getting the top view. Project all the points till picture plane, and from there you draw the top view of the pentagonal prism after checking the visibility. So we have now drawn the front view and top view of the pentagonal prism. Next, we have to locate its station point. It is specified in the question that the station point is 70 mm to the left of the center of the prism. So from the center of the prism, you take 70 mm towards left side, we will be getting station point. Next, we can mark SP dash. SP dash should always lie below SP. So we have got this position of station point in the locus of station point and in the line of sight. In the next step, you have to join all the corners in the top view to SP. Now since A, B, C, D and E is already touching picture plane, you need not join those points to SP. You have to join only points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to SP. Similarly, join all the points in the front view towards SP dash. So A dash 1 dash, B dash 2 dash, C dash 3 dash, all these points should be joined to SP dash. Now you can see that the lines that has been joined to SP, that means the points from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 has been joined to SP. These lines are touching the picture plane at different points. You have to project these points to the corresponding lines in perspective. So if I am projecting 1, it should lie on line A dash 1 dash. If I am projecting point 2, you have to lie on line B dash 2 dash. Similarly, 3 should lie on C dash 3 dash. 5 should lie on D dash 5 dash and 4 should lie on D dash 4 dash. So project all the points to the corresponding lines in perspective. After identifying the points, first you join all the outermost points because all the outermost edges will be visible. So we will be joining the outermost edges first, all these edges will be visible, and then you can join all the edges by checking the visibility. Right.